Hi, I'm Laura from YoungWritersWorkshops.com, and I'm going to talk about teaching map skills. A good starting point in teaching map skills is to begin to talk about areas of your classroom. Talk about what's in your classroom. You could draw a map together, or you start to visualize on paper how the space is laid out. You can also introduce the idea of the ordinal directions, north, south, east, and west, and you can begin to use those words when you talk about going to the drinking fountain, which is north of my desk, and that can help the kids to understand the directions and use that understanding, make it more concrete by actually doing it. Now, the next step in understanding map skills would be for the kids to start to make maps, look at maps of your city, and then again, when you're planning an outing, plan your route. They can see where their house is on the map, and then also what the path is, which direction they're going to be going. Use those ordinal directions words to discuss the trips that you're taking as a group or that they do on their own. You can move outward then to maps of the U.S. or the world, and having the kids map where they've been before, mark on the map the places they've traveled to or where their extended family lives can be another way for them to interact with the map and start to see where things are on the map. You can talk about distances and scale, some of the skills that will help them be able to learn to read a map. You can bring in some of the terms. Anytime you're learning about a place or discussing something that's in the news, you can pull out a map or a globe and help them to understand where it is in relation to them. Using maps and globes just gives them good practice with these skills. Other items like games or puzzles where they can interact with the map, looking at the different parts of it closely in order to achieve their task, can help them to have a little bit better understanding of geography and the use of maps. So those are some ideas about building or teaching map skills.